Okay, so how are you doing? I know it took so long, but I promise it won't take any longer. Have you ever read a research paper and thought, okay, but what do I actually do of this? Where do I find my own idea? That's exactly what we call a research gap. And finding it is way easier than it sounds. Gap is just the missing piece, the unanswered question, or the problem that is not fully solved yet. Every good research paper leaves clues behind about what's missing right in the introduction or the conclusion. Look for words like future work, further research needed, limitations. Try searching on Google Scholarly with terms like preliminary results. Plus, like add your research topic. Use simple tools like Research Rabbit or Lit Maps that are exceptional, that are very good to see how papers are really well connected. I will talk about more tools in an upcoming video. For example, some recent climate research suggests that global warming may be accelerating. One possible reason is the reduction of pollution from the ships. Ship fuel used to release sulfur particles that acted like a sun shield, reflecting some sunlight back into the space and slightly cooling the planet. When regulation cleaned up that pollution, the cooling shield weakened. The underlying greenhouse gas warming showed more strongly, but the exact mix of causes, whether it's ship pollution, cloud changes, or natural cycles, is still uncertain. And that uncertainty, that not fully clear thing, is exactly what we mean by a research gap. See, you don't need to be a climate scientist to just notice that. Just spotting what's uncertain is enough to start. The key is don't wait for a perfect idea. Just learn to notice what's missing, even in simple papers. That habit itself makes you a researcher. And this is exactly what we are building at QSOL, a space where we notice gaps together and grows ideas into real world projects. If you are just starting out, this is your basic step.